Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, September the 14th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. And we have two puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary, but it's now binary time. Yes, binary time, and this one will be number 5175. 5175. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. 1 2 3 4. All right, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, do we need to compare? Nope. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Well, now. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2. Oh, between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Without comparing. Completed in 3 minutes. Well. I'm surprised. Without comparing. Yeah, if you enjoyed this puzzle, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.